I wanted to record a quick video on how to use one of my favourite platforms, which is rev.com. It is fantastic for sorting out your captions for both Facebook and YouTube and making sure you have transcripts of your videos. So here I am, I've logged into my account at rev.com, and you can see these are the files that I've had before. I'm always uploading things onto here, and I'm going to place a new order. Now the reason to have captions is that something like 81% of videos are now watched without the sound. So having captions so people can read being said on your videos is really useful. So I'm going to place a new order, and what I like to do is place it for captions. You can have a transcription, or you can have an automated transcription, which is slightly cheaper. You can just have subtitles, but captions is what I'm going for. Now the nice thing you can do in terms of captions is you can upload your file, so if you have got your video somewhere, you just upload it. You can paste the URL, or, which is what I really like to do, is pull the video directly from my YouTube account. So I'm going to click on YouTube. I've already got my YouTube account linked. If you're new to this, you'll have to add these yourself. These CC marks are where I've got closed captions on them. And as you can see, it says private videos can't be selected, so these must be public. I can tick this to show only videos without a caption as well, or I could actually just put a search in for the video. Now I've just uploaded this video, and it's only a short one, so I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to add selected video to the cart. And it's on offer at the moment, so it's only $1.10 a minute. So this less than 2 minute video is going to be $2.20, and they say it's going to take 2 hours to do. I have to say Rev usually always does it in less time than that, but 2 hours is fine for me. I don't need it any faster. I could rush my order, and then it's another $1 a minute. Still not expensive. And I have to say the quality of their transcriptions is amazing. It's really good. I'm happy with that, but what I want to do is I want to add some additional formats. Now this is the most economical way to do it. So what I'm going to do is add a transcript rather than actually order a transcript directly. And I'm also going to add the Facebook Ready SRT file. By having that, I can then upload the video and the Facebook captions without just doing a little YouTube link, which since Facebook prefers native videos, I often like to just upload the video directly onto Facebook and then add the captions. And this gives me the option to do that. So all of that for $2.20, which I think is brilliant. You then click checkout, which is fairly straightforward. But I am actually going to pay on PayPal. Okay, I've just paid. Before I go and get to the final element, you can get to add a glossary or add a script. So you can upload your script here and you can add your speaker names. So onto this glossary, I'll put Canva. I'm going to put the designer, because it's in there, because that's the account I'm doing it with. I'm then going to do a content planner. I'm then going to apply this. You're going to see this say thank you, so polite. And then I'll put my name in the speaker and apply that. And that's all that I need to do. Okay, then we'll see what happens next. So in less than 2 hours, I've got my captions back. And here you can see I clicked the link from my email and it opened up in this screen, which allows me to edit. So I can go through and make sure I'm happy with the captions. If I wanted to play it through, I could see how they timed. Timing is there as well. I won't play you the whole video, it'd be boring for you. You can see how it runs along the bottom. Hello again. In the second video, we're going to show you how to schedule your designs directly with Canva's Content Planner. And I knew that didn't sound right. I actually said it. And by making the correction, it clicks instantly on the captions. And it was the one word I knew I hadn't said very clearly. So that's the other reason why captions really help. And that's it. Changes I make get saved instantly. And all I have to do now is click Upload to YouTube. And I click Yes, upload my captions. It's instantly uploaded, and then I can just go to the video. Hello again. And now I play it. The captions are there. I'm going to show you how to schedule your designs directly. Okay, I hope that helps you or anybody who wants to use Rev. As I say, it's a fantastic and really cost-effective service to use to get captions onto your YouTube videos.